boys and you're out. You don't wanna know me, that's right. Now you're saying let's talk about what's happening with you and I. That is just the way it